If you're looking to provide international benefits to your global team, Oyster might be the perfect solution for you. This software makes it easy to manage international payroll, benefits, and compliance for employees worldwide, all from one platform. By the end of this video, you'll understand how Oyster helps streamline operations and give your global employees the benefits they deserve without the headaches of managing compliance in multiple countries. You may be wondering how Oyster simplifies this process. Well, Oyster integrates with local legal and tax systems to ensure you're providing compliant benefits no matter where your employees are located. So whether you have remote workers in Europe, Asia, or the Americas, Oyster lets you manage everything through a single system, keeping things smooth and organized. The first thing you need to know is that Oyster handles local compliance with ease. It automatically adjusts to local laws, ensuring that you're offering the right benefits, like healthcare, pensions, or insurance, tailored to the specific region. This feature is incredibly valuable because staying compliant with international laws can be overwhelming and time-consuming. Oyster saves you from the risk of making costly mistakes. Another big advantage of using Oyster for international benefits is how it handles payroll. The platform offers global payroll management, which means you can pay your employees on time, no matter where they're located, and without worrying about currency conversions or local tax regulations. Oyster takes care of that for you, ensuring that your employees receive the correct amount in the right currency every time. For benefits administration, Oyster offers customizable options. You can choose the benefits package that best fits your employees' needs, whether it's health insurance, wellness programs, or retirement savings plans. This flexibility makes it easier to attract and retain top talent by offering competitive benefits that cater to different regions and cultures. Oyster also simplifies the employee onboarding process. With just a few clicks, you can add new hires to the system and set up their benefits and payroll. You no longer need to waste time on paperwork or worry about the specific regulations in each country. Oyster automates these tasks, saving you hours of administrative work each week. The platform is user-friendly, with an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. You don't need to be a tech expert to understand how to use it effectively. And because Oyster is cloud-based, you can access it from anywhere, making it ideal for companies with remote or distributed teams. One of the key features of Oyster is its global network of partners. These partners help deliver region-specific services, making sure that your international benefits are always up to date and in compliance with local laws. This global network allows Oyster to provide comprehensive support whether you're in Europe, the Americas, or Asia. Lastly, Oyster doesn't just stop at compliance and payroll. It goes above and beyond by providing analytics and reports that help you make informed decisions about your benefit strategy. With access to real-time data, you can fine-tune your offerings to ensure you're meeting the needs of your global workforce. If you're ready to give your global team the benefits they deserve and want a tool that makes international benefits management a breeze, Oyster is definitely worth checking out. You can get started with Oyster completely free by clicking the first link below, and we've even secured exclusive bonuses to give you an extended free trial. So, to recap, Oyster allows you to easily provide international benefits by managing payroll, compliance, and employee well-being from a single platform. It's a powerful tool that saves time, reduces risk, and ensures that your benefits are always in line with local laws. Don't forget to take advantage of our exclusive offer for a free extended trial. Start using Oyster today and take the first step towards making global benefits management easier for you and your team.